So this is a graph of inequality, whereas the triangle ABC represents any of these. So the best thing to do, the first thing we have to do, triangle ABC, the boundary is represented by 3 lines. So we need to get the equation of the 3 line. And so we use the slope intercept form of equation of a line, which is y equals mx plus c, where m is the slope. And how do you get the slope? It's very simple. From I want to get the equation of a line passing through A and B. So what I will look out for is I have a right triangle here, as you can see. So this is a right angle triangle. So my y equals, my slope is now 4, changing y over changing x. So which is 4 minus 0 over 0 minus 2x. Y the c is the y-intercept, which is 4. So the first equation I have here is y equals 4 over 2, which is 2x plus 4. So that's the first equation of a line. So the second one, I want to get the one passing through B, this one. So that's the one I want to get. So I will prefer using, I've seen a triangle, a right angle triangle. So I have this. And I have this. So this is another right angle triangle. So this is 90. So changing y. So I have 12. 12 minus, that's plus 4 over what I have here. Remember, this is 2, 4. So 4 minus 0, changing x. So 4 minus 0 x. Why the y-intercept is minus 4. So I have 16 over 4 is 4. So 4x minus 4. So that's the second equation. So the last equation is now this. This equation of line is this. So again, using, as you can see, I've seen a right angle triangle, which is this. So changing y, so I have y equals 4 minus 4, minus 4 plus 4 over y, our x is 0 minus 4 x. My y-intercept is at plus 4. So I have 8 over minus 4 is minus 2 x plus 4. So these are the 3 equations that we'll need. So, but the shaded region is an inequality. So as you can see, it rhymes with the options. So we check off some 2s plus 4, 4x minus 4, minus 2s plus 4. So the possible, we don't check, okay, they're all the same. So though I just taught you how to solve, the fastest way to do this, as you can see, they have the same equation, 2s plus 4, 2s plus 4. So we don't need to waste our time getting the equation because the lines are the same. Assuming maybe this one is plus, this one is plus. That's when the problem is. Well, as you can see, all the equations are the same. So we don't need to waste our time. So what we have to do is just pick a point from that shaded region. As you can see, I'll pick this point. At this point, x is 2 and y is 6. So if you check at point 2, 6, that's this point. So that's the point we test with this equation. So y is 6, so 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 4 is what? 8. That's x is 2 now. 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Is 6 greater than 8? So off. 6 is not greater, so this is off. So we'll try this again. Okay, they're all less than. Okay, so as a mathematician, no need of testing this because the opposite will be the answer. So let's check. This one has positive, positive. Okay, so let's test with this. So let's test again. When y is 6, so x is 2, so 4 times 2, 8. 8 minus 4 is 4, and 6 is greater than 4. So this is part of it. So this greater than is, so this one is off because this is less than. Do you get the logic? 6, 4 times 2, 8. 8 minus 4 is 4, so 6 is greater. So this one is off, remaining this. So we test finally if x is 2, so minus 2 times 2 is, minus 2 times 2 is 4, minus 4, minus 4 plus 4 is 0. Is 6 less than 0? No. So the answer is C. 6 is greater than 0. So our best option. So remember, I just taught you how to solve to get in case if the options are not the same. But once the options are the same, no need of wasting time. Just pick a point from the shaded region and solve. So the next question. So again, they say the shaded region represents any of this. As you can see, okay, they have different equation. So we need to solve. But in case they have the same, no need of solving. You just stop, pick a point from the shaded region. As you can see, the shaded region is a triangle. So let me name it triangle A, B, and C. And you notice that the boundary is this line, our y-axis and also x-axis. So x greater than, and as you can see, the shaded region shows x is always less than, because numbers here are less than 0. So x is less than 0. So possible option is C and D. This is where x is less than 0. Again, y is greater than, as you can see, is up. So y is greater than 0. So that's it. So without wasting time, our answer is this. Because there is no point where s is less than 0, y is greater than 0. So that's it. You don't need to waste time. Though we can still finish this by finding the equation of a line, which is very simple. I'm just using OBJ sense, but if it's theory, you solve that. Y, our slope is 6 minus 0 over 0 minus minus plus 6x. Finally, what's the intercept? Plus 6. So our answer is 6 over 6 is 1. So y equals x plus 6. As you can see, that is the equation. So we just test using any of the points there. So I can just choose y minus 1, x minus 1, y 1. So just choose any point, must satisfy. So check it now. X minus 1 plus 6 is 5, and 1 is less than 5. So the answer is, so you don't need to waste time. So the next one,